Hi, I'm a professional business skills trainer at the British Council, and here's what you need to know to train with us.
We offer a wide range of flexible solutions to aspiring and working professionals growing their career. We are an experienced corporate training center offering both standard and customized training courses for organizations. Our highly qualified consultants and an engaging methodology ensure that the lessons learned in our workshops can quickly be implemented back in your workplace. We have been serving with an excellent track record for several years now, and the professional business skills training that we offer can bring both positive changes for the individual and the organization.
When it came to equip our civil service officials with new skills and sets, we relied on the British Council, especially the new skills development program on training. Twice a year in Bangladesh, BCS Administration Academy, 120 of our participant officials get training on IELTS and English, communicative English from the experts of the British Council Professional Business Skill Program.
The training sessions with British Council were very effective for me. I'm now more confident and I feel like I have grown by adding multiple sets of new skills to my arsenal. The scope of getting to learn in groups allowed me to exchange knowledge and develop skills with each other as well. The trainers who conducted our sessions are the most inspiring and friendly people I have ever come across. The IELTS test was particularly important for me as I was planning to sit for the test. With proper guidance and timely feedback from the British Council professionals, I was able to secure a good score. The communicative English part of the training helped me learn modern days workplace communication skills.
Institute of Water Modeling is an independent organization functioning under the Trust Act of Bangladesh. As it's an international company operating in Bangladesh, the medium of communication is English. Thus, the knowledge of English is very important for all staff of Haider. Since its inception in 1996, we have been grateful to the British Council for providing support to us in this regards. Through the Professional Business Skills Development Program of British Council, we have been training our staff for learning how to write good reports, and the presentation skills have also improved greatly.
As a mid-level manager, I have to write a lot of technical reports, proposals, and provide presentation to our clients as well as to the stakeholders. So it has always been our goal to improve our English and our medium of communication. British Council has been with us as a partner, as a trainer for many years. So I have always felt that although I'm pretty good in English communication, I have many more things to learn. British Council exactly provided me that opportunity to actually enhance my skills and art of business communication. I can say that through the training that I received, I was very delighted and I felt that I have improved much. The thing is that I received one-on-one feedback session from our trainers, and also the trainers helped me to identify where and how I can improve. Overall, the learning that I learned from this training, I could take it to my workplace, apply it, and actually made my reports and communication better.
Connect with us right away for the flexible and customized solutions that best suit your growth. Let us help you in acing the 21st century challenges.